Welcome viewers. Step-by-step instructions to plan for board tests. Board tests assume an imperative part in molding the future profession of any understudy, as the grades which an understudy can get in the board tests basically shape what's to come possibilities for the understudy. Comprehensive knowledge of the syllabus. Our educational system is designed in such a way that students rarely know the syllabus. Throughout their 10 years in school, they typically adhere to their teacher's instructions. Nonetheless, the circumstance is a bit different in class 10th, and the understudy should know about the specific prospectus which they need to follow. A superior way is to counsel your educators on the specific schedule design or get the duplicate of something very similar from the site of the concerned educational committee. Be it focal board for school training, CBSE, or some other local board, there is next to no opportunity of an inquiry past your recommended reading material. Make sure you understand every idea and topic in your textbook. Your textbook's tables, graphs, and diagrams should not be ignored because questions can be asked about any chapter. Find a quiet area of your home to study in order to effectively prepare for the exam. This will allow you to study in peace and prepare thoroughly for the exam. As you begin your preparations for the upcoming exam, make sure you are away from any electronic device, including radio or television. Practice good eating habits. Following a sound dietary timetable is significant when you start arrangements for the assessments. If you plan to study until late, make sure you bring a light meal. Consuming too much food makes it harder to grasp things, which makes you feel lethargic all the time. You will have trouble remembering facts and figures as a result of this. Concentrating on till late hours ought to be kept away from in the later phases of the test planning. You ought to never stay conscious till late night daily before the assessment, as this can make migraine the following morning and you could wind up in a difficult situation. Food can change how you feel and think, as well as how alert you are and how well you can focus. Eat sparingly and frequently, aiming for 3 meals per day and a midday and afternoon snack. Do not skip breakfast. Choose foods that don't have a lot of sugar. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are all whole foods. Incorporate food sources which are high in fundamental fats like nuts, seeds, and sleek assortments of fish. It is essential to stay hydrated, mean to drink 1.5 liters daily, keeping away from sweet and juiced drinks. Be dynamic. Aside from keeping you quiet, practicing likewise expands the pace of bloodstream around your body and to the cerebrum also. This can really help you learn better and think more clearly. You won't be able to concentrate well if you study for hours on end without any breaks, so don't go overboard. Enjoy regular short reprieves while you are working. While really buckling down, re-examining, and doing tests, it is essential to have a great time. Reward yourself for accomplishing what you set off to do. Inspiration might benefit from outside input, assuming you have something to anticipate. Thank you, viewers.